looking at that picture, we're not, guys, we are not shouting anything out. We're going to keep this as organized as possible, otherwise you will be out. Okay. So, Jose, you had your hand raised. What's slowing down the skis? You're not sure?
Gravity.
Gravity? What does gravity do to a skier when they're on top of a hill?
It makes them go faster.
It makes them go faster. So when it asks what slows down the skis, there is a different force. Are we sure? Does anybody have an idea what the force is that is slowing down the skis?
Friction.
DJ and Ramika, I appreciate your answers, but let's keep our hands raised. Friction. Okay.
You actually.
When it
I've been
says
going over this for 2 weeks.
DJ,
Alright, I'm through.
no more shouting out your gun.
It's number 1.
Okay, but we going over this. We already know this.
All right. What is the direction of the force? Emily. Okay. So Jose, did you get that? It's always in the opposite direction. So the skis are going to the left on the page, and if you were to write an arrow of the direction that friction is working, it would go to the right of the page. The frictional force exists between which two objects in this picture, Reese? The frictional force is existing between which two objects in the picture?
Number
The
two.
skis and the snow. Okay. Case study 2.
It's B.
Somebody go ahead and read that. Angel, read that one out loud for us.
Case study what?
B.
Driving east on a level stretch of highway at 100 km/h. Yoshi shifts into neutral. The car coasts for 300 meters before coming to a stop.
Angel, what does neutral mean?
When you're not pressing on the gas or the brake.
Okay, so you are just kind of
Going.
coasting, kind of just going. All right, so when it asks you to identify the frictional force, it's not saying that there's multiple types of frictional forces. It's just saying what is the frictional force existing in between. So, Angel, what is the frictional force existing in between? Looking at that picture, what two objects is the frictional force existing in between? What are you pointing to? The road and what? The road and the direction of motion. The frictional force is existing between the road. What is touching the road?
The car.
You are.
What part of the car?
Alright.
Wheels.
The car tires. Okay, let's let Angel do some independent thinking when I'm asking her. Okay, so the cars and the tires. So by identifying a frictional force, you're listing the objects which are involved, and then the direction of the force. Lana, looking at that picture, the direction of the force is the car is moving this way. What is the direction of the force? If the car is moving this way, and we know that frictional force slows things down, which direction is the frictional force moving? Behind it, in the opposite direction. Okay, moving to case study C, which is, I won't say more difficult, but it's different than the other cases. So, Connor, go ahead and read that one for us. And listen up, girls.
Don dropped his book behind a large refrigerator. He pulled on.
You're going to have to read a little bit louder, and everybody else is going to have to be a little bit quieter. Go ahead.
Don dropped the book behind a large refrigerator. He pulled on one edge of the refrigerator to move it away from the wall, but it did not budge. His friend Susan joined him. Together they did manage to move it.
Okay, what's the first question?
What is the frictional force?
Okay, so what two objects is this force existing between, Connor?
The fridge and the floor.
The refrigerator and the floor. So when it says what is the frictional force, it is exerted by the floor against the bottom of the refrigerator, or it's between the floor and the refrigerator. Yes, Olivia? Friction.
Trying to push the picture anyway.